Hey everybody, it's Rich from Billet Spin. Welcome to this week's FTW. The exotics are finally here. These three combos are going to be available this Wednesday, July 8th at www.billetspin.com at noon central in limited quantities. We're going to have 20 of each of these available. So, like I say, we're getting into exotics. This one is actually a double exotic because we have a twist Damascus grip as well as the Spirograph Damascus cover. This one is going to be the Timascus cover with a titanium grip, and this one is going to have a treated twist Damascus cover, and we'll get into the rest here in a little bit. So let's get into the pricing. The stainless with the Spiro, $265. The antique with the twist Damascus cover is going to be $245, and the Timascus with titanium grip is going to be $290. So let's get into each one individually, and why not just start out with the Timascus with the titanium grip. Now, this is obviously flamed. We're going to try to get these flame colors as close to this as possible, but you know how that goes. It's all done by hand, and we're going to do the best we can for you. Really, really cool. Now, I want you to notice that the inner ring on this guy has got more of a high polish on there, just so that the stainless doesn't all blend together. It gives you a little bit of a contrast. Titanium cover, or titanium grip, I'm sorry. And this one comes in at 58 grams. We're going to do spin videos, show you what they look like spinning here at the end of the video. It's got a stainless steel body, stainless steel stem, and a stainless steel inner ring that's been high polished. All right, let's get right into the next one. This one's got a stainless steel body with also a high polished stainless steel inner ring, stainless steel stem, twist Damascus grip, Spirograph Damascus cover, and a stainless steel stem. So many things to remember with these 5-piece tops. Really, really cool looking. Weight on this guy, $60. And lastly, this is a combo like we've never offered before. I want to give you a different view of this one. There you can really see the twist Damascus cover that's been heated up to kind of match the antique copper. There you can see the pattern on the outside. Really, really cool. And this would be a great top, a set top, for the black side. So for those of you that are interested in collecting the set and you just want a little exotic flair, there you have it. Now we did antique the bronze. This has a bronze grip and a bronze inner ring, as well as the antique copper body and stem. And the bronze ages, it's not nearly as shiny as it would be normally, but it doesn't turn as dark as what the copper does. Really, really neat. I think that ties in so well together. I hope you guys really like this one. So there you have it. Now I'll show you the bottoms on all these because I didn't do that yet. Here's that one, and then both of the other ones look like that. All right, let's show you guys what they look like spinning. Get this focused up for you here. All right. Spinning it on our new spin bases. This was actually one of the prototype bases. All of our other bases sold out because you guys are awesome. So there is the Timascus. Put that one right there. This is the Spirograph. Horrible spin. So hard to do when I've got this camera in the way. There you go. And you can expect spin times on all these to be about the same. They're going to be in that 5 to 10 minute range. I've actually been getting 10-minute spins on these because I'm getting used to spinning them with the higher stem. And normally I don't use this high of a stem, but it just needed to be this high because it's the king. So that's why it is that high. But it is definitely a little different to spin for sure. So there you have it. There is all three. This week's FTW. These combos probably will be offered again way down the road, but this is going to be your only chance to get them in the near future. So that's all I got for today. If you guys got any questions whatsoever, please let me know. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next time.